When you talk to customers, sometimes they're in a briefing center for 8 hours at a time. You know you really have something when they start writing things down or they start asking you, hey, when can I get that? What did you just say? And that's the kind of reaction you get with ProLiant Gen8.
From the storage perspective, we were the first and leaders in innovation. And I think we're going to continue that trend going forward.
Solid state devices have been shipping for quite some time, and there's quite a bit where these devices, we sped up the cars, but the freeways are now only two lanes wide. We got to open up those lanes and really make this match the speeds that these devices can go.
Now, traditionally, when we talk about storage, we have RAID controllers. There's some natural bottlenecks in the system. These were designed to work with traditional hard drives, and there are performance bottlenecks. When you have solid-state devices that are 10 times or 100 times faster, it starts to expose these bottlenecks in the system. So, when we designed the Gen8 storage products, our engineering team sat down and figured out ways to minimize the storage bottlenecks. So the new array controllers that we have are solid state optimized for fantastic performance.
We're able to deliver over 6 times the performance boost from our previous generation technology with overall just straight throughput for data intensive applications. We've also expanded the amount of storage we can put into a server as well, so you can get more data in the server to serve up those applications, run faster with the storage built into it.
When our friends in left hand started to transition from clusters made with 1 terabyte drives to clusters made with 2 terabyte drives, it took them 42 days to do parity initialization on these drives. And when my team got the request, it said, Jimmy, could you please have your team go look at 42 days? Customers can't tolerate 42 days. So we went back and we worked on it and we said, hey, we got it down. We found some things. We tweaked this and tuned that. We got it down to 21 days, right? And 21 days, we went back to them and said, 50%, doesn't that look great? And they said, really? 21 days is what you want the answer to be? 21 days cannot be the answer. And they were right. When we went back and looked at the parity initialization problem with a new set of dealing with density view, we were able to get this whole problem from 42 days or 21 days down to 5 hours. That's going to fundamentally change the way servers are deployed and managed going into the future. I'm going to tell you, we're launching some really awesome stuff with Gen8. This is just the tip of the iceberg. We got performance numbers that are going to be coming in that are going to scare people. So to me, I see with solid state and all of the workload management pieces that we've got, a fundamental shift in the way storage is delivered in servers. And it's my objective to put all my pressure back onto my processor and memory guys and tell them storage is not your bottleneck.